Welcome to my channel. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. Top 10 coldest countries in the world. So make sure to watch the full video. Weather does not entirely determine human civilizations. The development of science and technology has made it feasible to endure harsh environments. Just saying surviving is incorrect. We should say prospering instead. Cities with harsh weather show effort and creativity. You might feel chilly in some of the world's oldest cities. You may envision immaculate settings with a covering of snow. There are some significant absences from the top 10 coldest cities in the globe list because it only includes places with at least 100,000 inhabitants. The lowest average yearly temperature ever recorded was 5 degrees Fahrenheit in Oymyakon, Russia. It still doesn't make our list because there isn't much civilization to enjoy in the midst of the cold, with fewer than 1,000 residents. When you visit the cities on this list, you'll notice how many people can live there all year round in addition to the surprisingly chilly temperatures. Erzurum, Turkey. The city of Erzurum gained prominence in 300 AD when it adopted the name Theodosiopolis in honor of the Roman Emperor Theodosius I. There are still a lot of ancient Roman and later civilization sites available for exploration. The city is known for being a winter getaway with magnificent sports venues that have played host to several major international events, most notably the 2011 University Games. In Erzurum, where average winter temperatures range from 14 to 31 degrees, the climate is persistently cold, resulting in a lot of snowfall and the majority of the city's yearly precipitation. Summers are dry while being mild. In spite of the fact that July and August are the hottest months, the average temperature is just -65 degrees. 9. Eureka, Canada. Eureka, California, is one of the world's coldest places right now. It was founded on April 11, 1947, as a necessary step in the construction of a network of Arctic weather stations. Now, it ranks as the third most northern permanent research community. The Arctic Environment Atmospheric Research Laboratory, the Eureka Aerodrome, and the Environment Canada Weather Station make up this research facility. Pearl. Canada's lowest yearly average temperature is in Eureka. The highest wind chill in this region is -69.5 degrees Celsius, and the record low temperature is -55.3. This location is referred to as the Garden Spot of the North due to its abundance of flora and animals. This location, which has incredible natural beauty, is among the coldest on the planet. 8. South Pole's Amundsen Scott Station. The southernmost and one of the coldest spots on Earth are both located at this American scientific research facility built in 1956, the research facility. There was hardly any evidence of human existence prior to this. Many upgrades, expansions, and demolitions have been made to the research center. The only part of the Earth's surface where the sun is always up for 6 months before falling asleep for the following 6 months is its land surface. This land becomes incredibly cold during the longest 6-month night, with recorded lows of -73 degrees Celsius. In this study, there are 200 participants in the summer and 50 in the winter. 7. Verkhoyansk, Russia. One of the world's coldest cities is Verkhoyansk. This extremely chilly location, which is close to the Arctic Circle and on the Yana River, has year-round residents. This city, which is among the coldest in the world, has about 1,300 residents. The region's -49.7 degrees Fahrenheit, 45.4 degrees Celsius, average temperature is the lowest. It almost reaches -61.7 degrees Fahrenheit, plus 16.5 degrees Celsius, in the summer. This one of the world's coldest cities, which was initially founded in 1638, received town status in 1817. It was used as a location of political exile between the 1860s and 1917s because of its severe climate and remote location here. Some notable political figures were exiled. Undoubtedly, this is one of the world's oldest cities. 6. Alaska's Prospect Creek. Prospect Creek in Alaska, one of the coldest places on Earth, has been the base camp for several mining expeditions as well as the Trans-Alaska Pipeline System construction camp. It is noted as having the lowest temperature in the entire United States. In this region, -80 degrees Fahrenheit, -62 degrees Celsius, is the lowest temperature ever recorded. A camp known as Pump Station 5 was established in 1974 to serve as housing for some of the 27,000 workers on the TAPS project. Following that, it was given up. The camp was again used in 1992 as the first of the campsites set up for the laborers and engineers who were working on the replacement of the bridge along the nearby Dalton Highway. 5. Mongolian capital Ulaanbaatar. The coldest city in the world is Ulaanbaatar. The capital and largest city of Mongolia was founded in 1639 as a Buddhist nomadic monastery. It is one of the oldest cities in the world. In 1778, it was moved to its current site. This is the world's coldest city, home to about 1.3 million people. The lowest recorded temperature in this area is -56 degrees Fahrenheit, 49 degrees Celsius. The capital city of Mongolia is this place. This city experiences an excessive amount of extreme weather. It has brief, pleasant summers and lengthy, incredibly cold, dry winters. January is the coldest month in this capital. One of the world's coldest cities is this one. 4. Russian city Novosibirsk. The largest city in Siberia, Novosibirsk, has 1.5 million residents and is located west of Irkutsk. During Stalin's rule, the city experienced a growth spurt as the majority of the nation's industry relocated there. With leaders in agricultural, energy, and aerospace engineering, it is still a crucial hub for manufacturing. Novosibirsk's climate is diverse, with warm summers and bitterly cold winters that last from October through April. Temperatures are milder than in many other Siberian locations, and light snow showers are frequent throughout the winter. While lows typically remain at or above 0 degrees throughout the year, average temperatures can drop as low as 2 degrees in January. 3. Greenland's North Ice. Greenland, the largest island in the world, is among the coldest places on the planet for ecotourism. It is well known. One of the world's most beautiful places is this region is mostly covered in snow, about 85%. What could be more lovely than a clear morning with snowy surroundings? Due to climate change, global warming, and the greenhouse effect, Greenland's natural beauty is in jeopardy. The lowest temperature ever measured in this region is -87.0 degrees Fahrenheit, -66.1 degrees Celsius. The British research facility North Ice was in July. The temperature rises above 0 degrees Celsius. The Earth's coldest places include this one. 2. Snag, Yukon Territory. Snag, Yukon Territory, one of the world's oldest cities, was established during the Klondike Gold Rush. Members of the U.S. Geological Survey gave it that name in 1898. There aren't many people who live here. The area's lowest recorded temperature is -63.0 degrees Celsius, which occurred on February 3, 1947. Another marker indicated an indigenous village about 8 kilometers away as a part of the Northwest Staging Route. An airfield for the military was built in 1968. It was shut down. It is one of the coldest places on Earth. 1. Vostok Station in Antarctica. In Princess Elizabeth Land, Antarctica's interior, there is a Russian research facility. The Soviet Union established it as the world's coldest location in 1957, and the lowest temperature ever recorded there was -128 degrees Fahrenheit, -89.2 degrees Celsius. It is located at the southernmost point of coldest region's typical winter temperature is -68 degrees Celsius, -90 degrees Fahrenheit, and its typical summer temperature is -31.9 degrees Celsius, -25 degrees Fahrenheit. Right now, this is the coldest place on Earth. So, that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed the video.